The grinder has 10 levels. Which is the first? Others grinder need to test. Put the powder in on the powder bowl. Put 13-14 grams coffee powder into the powder bowl. Powder rings function. Prevent coffee powder scattering. Feeling the intensity of stress. After pressing, the distance between powder and bowl at 5 mm. Link the powder bowl and coffee module. Fill boiling water into coffee module, not full. Cover the lid. Don't worry about water leakage at the bottom. Pay attention to details. How to link the quick connector. Turn on the air pump. Observe coffee coming. Look at the screen of the air pump. The screen shows 10. The air pump stops working. The screen shows 8. The air pump continuing work. During the time coffee continue making, coffee is enough. Turn off the air pump and then press the button. Function pressure relief. Warning: ensure no one behind the coffee maker. See the coffee cream. What do you think? Pay attention to details. How to remove the quick connector. Pull out the remaining water. Pay attention to hot water. Don't forget to clean the powder bowl.